You ready? Let's go. All right, check your alternative heart monitor. Get a couple deep breaths in. We're gonna do a 15-minute manual heart pace here. Get your mind together. 3, 2, 1. Hit the start. Let's go. I'm gonna juice it right on up here. Don't forget, guys, right down in the descriptions, I have Max Trainer from Bowflex that you can click on and go check it out. Also check out anything else in Max Trainer that you want. Right along with the coldest official water bottle of this channel. Even 24 hours later, whatever you put in the bottle can stay nice and cold and refreshing. I have the smaller one up there on the Bowflex while I'm working out. It's got a nice convenient hose, straw, whatever you want to call it, that comes out the top. All I have to do is reach down, grab it, and get my drink without missing a beat. Alright, currently right now I'm at resistance of 14 and I'm holding it right up in the red zone there. I don't know how long I'm going to hold it there for, but I'm starting to come down now. I just brought it down to resistance of 12. I was kind of treating this like taking off in the start of a 5K race. Usually the first 800 meters, you get a quick start and then you settle in and jockey for your positions. It's kind of the mindset I had today. I just want to hold that pace at a pretty good clip here. We're only a minute and 30 into it. My veterans out there that work out with me every day, you should be trying your best to stay up with me. This is only a 15-minute workout. 15 minutes is not a very long time. You want to try to get as much as you can, calorie burn wise, in that short amount of time. I try to split it up, guys, for you. If you see a workout where I want half hour, 45 minutes to an hour, you can almost guarantee the next time is going to be a shorter one. I like to work the two different, the fast twitch and the slow twitch muscles, is what they call them. Also on these short ones, I'm really concentrating on my breathing. You can see by my body language right now that I'm doing a full extension with my arms, my shoulder all the way out through, pushing that bar with my tricep, on the opposite side pulling it back with the bicep, really assisting my legs, getting that full body workout. Of course, in doing so, every motion that you make is core workout. When you're doing these kind of workouts, don't think of the end game here for the 15 minutes. It psychologically can mess up your mind. You want to take it in segments, quarters. So the first quarter that we're going to do is the first 5 minutes. It's only 3/4 of this that we are doing. So I always try to get the max that I can get. I always try to concentrate on the first 5 minutes. I like to keep it organized, know where I'm at as far as calorie burn, knowing what I'm doing, calorie burn per minute. So if I had to break it down in the first 5 minutes, I would like to keep it around a 33.6 or higher. Puts me right around 166, 170 calorie burn per every 5 minutes. Knowing when I hit that 15-minute mark, I'm around the 500 calorie burn. Now I know if you're new to this game, that doesn't sound realistic, but mark my words, you will be there eventually. 4 minutes and 21 seconds into this. We're still clipping along pretty good here. I have held this before with a resistance of 14, right about that 40 calorie burn per minute. I've only done it once. I think it was a little over 25 minutes and it was 1,000 calorie, but it was just a perfect day. I have not repeated it since. I was fully rested, the right foods, the right supplements, everything just aligned the right way. But we have a lot going on today, so today I dedicated this just to a 15-minute workout, which right now we are 5 minutes and 14 seconds into it. We're still clipping along with a resistance of 12, concentrating on my breathing. So should you. When you're going this fast, you don't really have time in this short amount of time really worry about too many fluids going into you. If you were a beginner at this and you're using me for the pace guy, I recommend that you reach down and get your water every minute, every other minute, even if it's only a sip. But my more experienced people working out with me, you're used to this, you're used to being a little dehydrated at the end of this and getting your fluids afterwards. 6 minutes into it, 215 calories right now. We're doing really good as far as the calorie burn. Like I said, that first 5 minutes, I look for like 166, 167. That way I know I'm on track. Today we were right around, I wasn't really paying too much attention to it, but we were right around 170, 173, something like that. So we were ahead of the game. Which is not always a good thing, because sometimes when you get ahead of the game, you tend to relax. One of these days, if it wasn't for the viewers and having a live shot there going for your workout, I'd probably cover it up and not pay attention to it. Once again, guys, right down in my description, support the channel by clicking the links that I have provided for you. Bowflex, it's not just a Max Trainer. Bowflex has enough equipment on their page that you can set up a whole gym. The Coldest, it's not just their water bottles. Coldest also offers ice packs. They also offer different riding apparel, such as cold packs and their riding gloves. They have a whole different assortment. Go check them out. The clickable links right down there will help you get right to it. You don't have to deal with me. You deal right with the products themselves. Another way that you can help support the channel is a big thumbs up. It helps the algorithm find us a lot easier, so everybody can come here and work out with us. If you're brand new to the channel and you're just swinging by, this is a 15-minute HIIT workout right now. We're just blasting as many calories in 15 minutes. We have it on manual mode. Nothing special, no sprints up, no sprints down, no interval training. We just put it on manual, and we are just trying to crank it out for 15 minutes and see how many calories that we end up with. Still really concentrating on my breathing here. That is the secret to all this. Deep breath in, even though you can't recognize it. If you're experiencing in the working out at this pace, at this level, you probably do recognize it. Getting those deep breaths way down deep in my lungs, keeping that oxygen nice and enriched. Full extension from my shoulders, coming right off my back, through my shoulders, through my triceps, all the way down, pushing that bar out, my biceps, pulling it back, assisting the legs so the upper body and the lower body are doing equal amount of work. That is the secret behind this machine, is a full body workout. And then the other part of it is a mental game. How long can you keep it up? How focused can you stay for the amount of time? These machines, when they came out, I mean, the big advertisement for these machines is a 14-minute workout with the possible 200 calories. And nowadays, once people have them, we are staying on these machines for 25 minutes to 30 to 45 to an hour. There's some people staying on them for an hour and a half. I think the Max Trainer M7. I've never maxed it out, but I think you can go to 99 minutes on it. I think. I could be wrong on that. I'll look into that for you, but I think you can max out the total of 99 minutes. Reason being is there's only enough space on the digital readout for 99 minutes. So that's why it won't flip over to 100. Okay guys, we just turned 10 minutes on this. We're at 350 calories at 10 minutes. That is a really good clip. I remember back when I first started, there's no way 350 calories would better have been at least a half-hour workout if I could last that long. And now today I am pushing 400 to 500 calories in a 15-minute clip, and so will you if you stay on this channel and just be progressive at it, reluctant to not give up. I just said reluctant. Oh my Lord, I can't even talk right. Reluctant not to give up. That's a little better. Always chasing me. The whole idea behind my channel, guys, is I am the pacer. That's why I give you my control panel for you to watch, so you know exactly where I'm at. As far as I know, I'm the only one on YouTube that will give you my results right in front of you as they are happening. I don't hide anything. I do not pause these workouts. I don't care how long they are. That is one guarantee that I do with my viewers. I do not stop. I do not edit the workout. If I am going to fail, you will see me fail. That beautiful coldest green water bottle. Just by clicking on that link for the coldest, you can find all the water bottles, not just in that size or the smaller one that I have up on the Max Trainer. You can find them all the way up to a gallon size. They really do work. They really do keep them cold. Another trick you can do too, you can take that coldest water bottle, put it in the fridge for a little bit before you put your water or whatever you're going to take out for the day with you, and it will help stay ice cold for a very long time. It almost stays a little too cold when you do that, but wow, I mean, it's true. 24 hours later, that thing is still cold. We're a little over 12 minutes now. We're at 424 calories. Hopefully you guys are using me to your advantage, chasing me down. That is the purpose of this. The ultimate goal that I have for every single one of my viewers is not only to chase me down, but eventually just go screaming right on past me. And when that day comes, please write it in the comments that you beat me. That is my proudest moment. That is why I put the channel here, for you to come get me and improve yourself. I'm one of the old dogs. I'm not gonna be able to do this forever, so it makes me very happy when somebody beats my time. We have less than 2 minutes left of this beautiful workout here. Once again, we're on manual. For everyone who's just coming by watching, we are on a manual mode. We decided we're just going to go for a 15-minute HIIT workout, just laying into it, see how many calories we can burn in that 15 minutes. If you're curious about the machine, I have a clickable link right down in the descriptions. This is the Bowflex Max Trainer. I bought mine a while ago, so this happens to be the M7, which you cannot get from Bowflex themselves. They are offering the M6 and the Max Total. You can shop around and find the M7, probably on Amazon, along with the M8. A lot of people are getting the M5 now. They are also buying a $150 upgrade kit for their M5, turning it into what the M6 or M8 is. It's a pretty nice deal there. They find a good price on the M5, and then do a $150 upgrade and get a brand new machine. We are at 14 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's finish this right to the end, guys. We have 30 seconds left. This channel here, we do not stop before the workout. We go right through the finish line. We always plow through the finish line. That's how we train. We train that way all the time. We do not stop short. We have 10 seconds remaining on this workout. Hopefully you guys are having just as good a workout as I do. I have 517 calories. Great job, guys. Great job.